I was just thinking I would be back in 2 weeks to work, and like everyone else, 2 weeks quarantine back to normal life. But that wasn't what happened.
Okay, you ready? All right, we gotta do ABCs.
So Joel is my son's name, and he's 23. He's autistic. He loves basketball. He loves anything with Sesame Street, and he smiles. He smiled like nothing upsets him. He's so happy-go-lucky. He's the joy of my life. He's my pride and joy. So before COVID, Joel went to the ARC of San Antonio. Because I'm having to help him with virtual learning, I'm not able to return back to work. Financially, it took a strain on us. But the real concern was the well-being of my son. I was in contact with Miss Montgomery. She was a representative that was handling my case at the Homer Fund. I kind of just broke down to her and just told her all the concerns that I was trying to hold together, and she gave me my level of hope from here to here to here. They blew my expectations. I just didn't expect it at all, and I'm so grateful to that. So with the Homer Fund money, we had paid for our electric bill. We had paid for our water bill. It assisted us with food. The Homer Fund just alleviated all of that. Now I can really just say I can put my head down and rest. I can actually just relax.